Want to share a YouTube video at the exact moment that matters? With the YouTube timestamp generator, you can instantly create a link that takes people straight to the second you want them to see. To try it out, just look up YouTube timestamp generator or click the link in the description. It's fast, free, and works on any device. Once you're on the page, here's how it works. First, find the YouTube video and copy its link. Now paste it in the timestamp generator tool. Then, set the exact hour, minute, and second you want to link to. Finally, click the Generate button, and you'll get a ready-to-share URL that jumps right to that point in the video. And unlike YouTube's own tools, ours works with YouTube Shorts as well. Although Shorts don't officially support timestamp links, we've made it possible. So whether it's a 3-minute how-to or a 30-second reaction clip, you can send people right to the moment that counts. If this made your life easier, give the video a like and subscribe for more tools that save you time. And try the YouTube timestamp generator for yourself. Links right below.